Danny Hayasaka with Colony, helping people do their business better. Today we have the Poly Voyager 360 series. Stay tuned. I start my day taking Otis for a walk or a run, and the Poly Voyager 360 series are IP54 rated, so they are protected from dust, sweat, and rain, and that's a good thing because we live here in Florida. There are small, medium, and large silicone ear tips so that you can get the right fits, and the Poly Voyager 360 earbuds are very stable and have not fallen out. Shake their heads around, they don't fall out. And when we get into the business side of things, the Poly Voyager 360 series are UC and Microsoft Teams certified. The Poly Voyager 360 series are available in the 60 and the 60 Plus models. The 60 series include a basic charge case and come in at an MSRP of $279.95, while the 60 Plus series include a touchscreen charge case and an audio cable and come in at an MSRP of $329.95. Now that audio cable will allow you to connect your charge case to an airplane's in-flight entertainment system, and then you can use your earbuds to stream that audio. So it's kind of a cool feature. All right, but let's talk about the star of the show, which for me is this touchscreen. So this touchscreen charge case is a solution that you didn't know you needed until you had it. All right, so number one, it holds the BT700 dongle. So this is a fantastic feature. While these earbuds have little buttons and touch sensor controls, I don't actually use those. I find myself using this case a whole lot more than I do messing around with these buttons. So you can play, pause, skip forward, backward while you're streaming audio from your mobile device. So depending on your environment, you can adjust the ANC levels from adaptive, standard, or turn it off. You can also see how much battery life you have. Right now, although I haven't run out of any battery life yet, it's nice to be able to see just in case you need to pop these back into the charge case. So you get 5.5 hours of talk time using both earbuds and an extra 11 hours with the charge case. So now let's say you don't have the charge case, right? Because I do that, especially when I take Otis out, I leave the charge case here. So the only thing I have is my phone. You now have the PolyLens mobile app, right? So you can access the mobile app, and then you can also make all the adjustments right on your mobile phone. So let's talk about management. So PolyLens software gives IT teams visibility and control over voice, video, and headset devices. You can deploy, configure, update, get valuable insights from one endpoint or thousands. But anyway, stay tuned for upcoming mic test. All right, so we are now in a Zoom meeting and I'm recording it. And so what I'm going to do is cycle through the various noise suppression settings available through Zoom. And so let's turn on some background noise. All right, so that's the sound of the background noise. This is what it would sound like if you were using the Poly Voyager 360 series with the noise suppression set to auto in a Zoom meeting. Okay, so now I have the noise suppression level set to little. So this is what it would sound like if you were using the Poly Voyager 360 series with the noise suppression level set to low. Okay, now this is what it would sound like if you had the noise suppression level set to medium while in a Zoom meeting using the Poly Voyager 360 series. And now I've set it to high. So this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager 360 series in a Zoom meeting with the noise suppression level set to high. So this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager 360 series with open office background noise. All right, so now we are in a Microsoft Teams meeting and I'm recording the meeting and I currently have the noise suppression level set to auto or default. And so now let's play some background noise. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Poly Voyager 360 series in a Teams meeting with the noise suppression level set to auto. Okay, so now I've set it to low. So this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager 360 series in an open office environment with the noise suppression level set to low in a Microsoft Teams meeting. Okay, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager 360 series in a Microsoft Teams meeting with the noise suppression level set to high in an open office environment. This is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager 360 series with open office background noise. Let's do, this is a vacuum, I believe. So that's vacuum going on in the background. All right, so now there's chickens running around in the background. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager 360 series and there was chickens running around in the background. And so before we do this next sound, I'm gonna forewarn, if you got earbuds in, if you got the volume all the way up, you might wanna turn it down because I'm gonna play a crying baby. Alright, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager 360 series and there's a baby crying in the background. Alright, so this is what it would sound like, or this is barking dogs in the background. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager 360 series. This is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager 360 series and there's a blender running in the background. And so there you go. I'm going to pass this back to you guys because you were able to hear exactly what I heard because I went back and played some of the video, played back some of the audio to hear what it sounded like. And I was a little impressed at how well the noise suppression capabilities worked on those platforms and applications. I dig this, right? So I give them stuff from my opinion there. And based on the tests that I've done, feel free to reach out to us. And of course, you can always comment below. We get tons and tons of questions from our YouTube viewers just like you who have questions about these devices in various use cases. And I love to hear about them because sometimes I'm really surprised what you guys are doing. I mean, heck, I got chickens from you guys. But anyway, let me know what you think. And if you like this type of video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.